Okay, I don't know why guys like to see this, but apparently they do. This is the unboxing for the Simpson ALH3228-S that I bought from, I think it's Pressure Washers Direct Online. I already cut the box open, but this is as far as I've got. Okay, it's a pressure washer. It's nicely packed. It's got a lot of foam inserts in there. The box is just a Simpson box. It did not arrive with any damage. The UPS dude grabbed this thing and carried it from the truck to the house. I was pretty impressed with that because this thing is not light. How lovely it would be to be that young again. It's got to weigh 60 or 70 pounds, I don't know. Okay, first box. We've got the cart handle. Then you got a nice piece of custom foam. Got some pressure washing tips and looks like a couple of the screw-in brackets and some instructions. Handle. Short wand, about 12 to 14 inches long. Yes, I already bought a longer wand. That's about it until I whip this thing out, which requires two hands. As far as the condition of it, there's that cat pump that's supposed to be really good. I don't see any damage or dents or anything. It looks perfect. Looks real nice. Let me set you down for just a second. I'll try to leave it so maybe you can see me. And I'll heave-ho this thing out of the box. All right. Stuck on, they're sticky. Nice corner protectors. The aluminum frame, now that I get a good look at it, it's probably 3/16 sheet aluminum that's bent. Edges are just a tiny bit sharp. Honda India Power Products Limited, GX200D. Okay. Some more goodies I found in the bag. There's that bag of oil. And this heavy hose. It's big, it's thick. It's got like a clear coated cover over a stainless or fabric braid. Kind of got a bronze tint to it. All right. Got pneumatic tires with air valves held on by snap rings. Tubing's pretty thick wall aluminum. Looks to be 1/10 of an inch or so, maybe 1/8 of an inch. I'm glad to see the gas tank's perfect. I've heard other guys talk about maybe having dented gas tanks. I would not have been happy with that. There's no very little padding to the Simpson thing. It's kind of like when you're a kid, the handlebar wrap, except for with less padding. Tiny amount of padding. No oil in engine. Got it. Well, it looks very nice. Came in perfect condition. Pressure washer's direct. Sent it to me pretty fast. I think it got there faster than they said it would. And that's it. That's the unboxing. So again, the accessories are oil, a hose, cheap wand, short wand extension, a couple of the brackets for holding the handle on, plastic handle. It's an aluminum handle with a plastic insert. I'll take that back. That might actually be, yeah, that's thin stamped metal of some sort, stamped aluminum perhaps, but it's painted black on both sides and got all the graphics and stuff on the front. Powered by Honda. Well, so why did I buy this one? Because I like the stuff that's the best, and I think this will be the best for its size and its class. It's got pneumatic tires. It's got the cat pump, which I couldn't find out that much about the cat pump really online, but from what I understand, it's supposed to be high quality and rebuildable. And my pressure washing buddy tells me you want one with a brass head on it. This certainly does have that. And it has the Honda GX200 motor, which from what I understand, if you want to buy a pressure washer, you want a Honda motor. And the GX200 is not their light duty or cheap version like might come in a box store, smaller pressure washer where they make a special motor just for Lowe's or something like that. This thing is supposed to be their standard commercial engine, which I would imagine will probably outlive the pressure washer. My overall thoughts, it's small. You know, it only doesn't even come up to my knees here. Even the engine and stuff, when I put my somewhat short legs in front of it, it's about knee high. It's pretty small. So those guys are right. If you try to carry this thing after installing the handle, it's probably going to be you're going to be hunched over to carry it, which is fine by me. I want this thing super portable. I want to be able to put it up into my pickup truck, which is a four-wheel drive Ford, so it's kind of like jacked up beyond what it needs to be. Not by me, but by Ford. And getting stuff in the bed of it, it's kind of no joke, and I don't want to have ramps and all that, just this pressure washer. So I opted to buy an aluminum one, and I'm thinking this is probably their top of the line because it's got all the features. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. There you go. I think you do that and insert those two screws to hold the handlebars on, and I think that's about it. There's not much to this thing. I guess you got to add oil, and you got to take this this cap off that they put on the pump. So there's one or two things you got to do before it's ready to go, but not much. A little bit of a fitment issue there. There's some kind of rubber gasket behind. It got pinched in there. No big deal. Okay, so that's it. That's your unboxing. Let me see. This thing, I know this thing's just barely sitting in there without the handle screwed down, but yeah, it's super light. It's not super heavy. I'm not a young man anymore, but I had no problem picking it up out of the box, and I'm sure I'll have no problem hoisting it up into the truck. So I think it probably weighs maybe 45 to 60 pounds, enough that you could pick it up without dying. So that's it. That's your unboxing. Don't know why people like to watch unboxing videos. Things sounds kind of boring to me, but hey, to each their own, man. Rock on. You do you.